How to turn on blue tick read receipts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on blue tick read receipts on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your WhatsApp. So after you open up your WhatsApp, if you do not know what blue tick is, so if you head over to any chat and if you see this two ticks, you should see the read receipts, that is the blue ticks. Now what this does is that this indicates that the person that you have sent a message has already read your message. So that's what the blue ticks are basically. So what you can do to turn that on is just head over to the settings on the bottom right. So let me go back, head over to settings, and after you're on the bottom right settings, head over to privacy. It's right here, tap on privacy, and after you're on privacy, scroll down, and there you should find an option called read receipts. So as you can see right here, if you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see read receipts from other people, and they're always sent for group chat. So just turn this on, and after you turn this on, now people will be able to see your read receipts and you will be able to see their read receipts as well. And that's basically how you turn it on, guys, and that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and do not forget to subscribe and like the video.